An offer test lets you measure what a discount is actually worth before you commit to running it store-wide. In this video, you'll set up an offer test and learn to read the results in a way that accounts for both the lift and the margin costs. Every store runs discounts, but most merchants pick them on gut feel. Does 15% off convert better than free shipping? Does a threshold discount actually raise average order value? An offer test answers those questions with real visitor data before you give away margin at scale. In ABConvert, each offer is built as a Shopify automatic discount using Shopify functions. Your existing discounts stay untouched. Each group only sees the offer configured for them. One group can have no offer at all, which gives you a clean baseline to measure lift against. You can choose from 5 offer types: amount of products, discount specific items by a percentage or fixed amount; amount of order, discount the whole cart total; shipping discount, reduce or eliminate a specific rate; volume discount, buy more, save more on quantity; threshold discount, spend more, save more on the cart total. Each group in your test can use a different type. Complete steps 1 and 2 to name your test, write your hypothesis, and set your groups and audience. If you're not familiar with those setup steps yet, check out our setup walkthrough video first. In step 3, pick an offer type for each group and configure it just like a native Shopify discount. The value, the scope, specific products, collections, or the whole order, and an optional minimum requirement before the discount applies. For percentage offers, you can also cap the maximum discount amount. The live preview at the top shows exactly how the final offer will be displayed. The control group can have no offer, which tests whether any discount lifts sales at all, or give control its own offer and compare 2 promotions directly. Say variant A gets 20% off and control gets free shipping. Both are real offers, and you measure which one drives better results. Under discount combinations, decide whether your offer can stack with other discounts already running in your store. Discount combinations are configured at the test level, so the setting applies to the entire test, not group by group. One more optional piece: attach an offer message to any offer or group. It renders as a badge or a banner on your storefront and promotes the discount before visitors add to cart. The text supports dynamic tokens, the discount value, the cart total, or the amount left to unlock a threshold deal. Shoppers see a live relevant message without you writing separate copy for every cart state. When you read offer results, look at 2 things together. First, the lift. Did revenue per visitor, conversion rate, or average order value go up? Second, the cost. What was the average discount value and what share of revenue did you give away? A discount that lifts conversion but costs too much margin isn't worth running. You'll see both sides in ABConvert, so you can make that call. That's the offer test. Use it before committing to a promotion or to compare 2 different offer structures head to head. Next up, the shipping test.